Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page. So let's go to Facebook first. Click on three dash icon which is top right corner. Scroll down and you will find pages option. Click on this pages. You can see here on the top left corner which is create button. Click on this create plus sign. Then you can see here and the blue button get started. Click on this. Set your page name, like anything you can set. Then select your categories, I mean which page you want to create. Here's the travel agency. If you write here, then you will find many suggestions. Pick one suggestions, then click on blue button which is create one. Then click write your bio here, anything you can write. Give your contact details, email address and phone number. Set your location, your city name, postcode. After all of this, click on next. Then set a profile picture here, any picture you can set as you wish. After setting profile picture, click on next. Use a number here or you can skip it by clicking blue button. You can invite your friends by clicking invite button, or you can click on next too. Your page is done, just click on done. Switching profile, see here your page is created. So guys, this is how you can make a page in Facebook. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.